Hello there. James and I are up way up. I mean, it's June and it feels like it's winter this high up. You can see he's got a fish on behind me. We're doing some fishing today on a high alpine lake. And yeah, I think we're gonna get into some fish. James just got out here and he's got a second fish on. So I'm gonna be using a 6 weight with a full sinking, actually it's a full sink tip. It's a 15-foot sink tip, heavy sink, on floating line. Should get down there deep enough. Got a couple woolly buggers, and then I have another rod that has kind of a chironomid worm setup. So hopefully that'll work on today's video. All right, everybody, let's do this. Fish on. There we go. Nice. Yeah, I sped it up. On the little egg sucking leech. Oh, jumper. Yeah, it's still a rainbow. Dude. Ooh, had a hit. Yep. There we go. Nice. As soon as he hit, I sped it up, and he came and got it. Yep. Ah, easy release. Nice, James with another one on.
Kind of nice fish, I think. At least he hit it hard.
Yeah.
Might not be that nice, but he hit it dang hard. And being a Boy Scout that I am, trustworthy, loyal, hopeful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent.
That was a mouthful. That's a solid fish.
All right, buddy.
Got to turn this way for the camera.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, super nice.
That's solid, James.
Got a big old mouth.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stay in the water there, boy.
It's like a kindred spirit fish.
Hey, I'll help you. You just give me 1 second, I'll help you and be right back in.
You didn't catch that little dig?
I didn't hear it.
I said it's like a kindred spirit fish.
All right, here he is. Oh, it's good. Nice. Daddy. Here he is, I mean it.
Very nice. Fish on, brother. Oh yeah, what a porker.
Let's go.
He's got some spunk.
There he is in the net.
Oh, dude, this is a great fish. Oh man, James, this is a no joke fish. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Come on. That guy. Woo!
Ready. But she acted like driving to Seattle was like driving to Alabama.
I know. Fish on, brother. Finally. He went after the balanced leech, and the chironomid got him.
Get your hands wet even in this cold water.
Chunker. Chunker.
Bye. Fun to get one again.
There we go. Nice. Yeah, this is a good fish.
Okay, I'm gonna do that later. Hold on.
Oh yeah, that's a really good fish, James. Oh, this is a great fish.
I'm trying to reel in this fish right here.
Oh, James, this is like,
Videotape Dan over there.
it's like fish of the day right now.
Fish on.
Whoa, whoa, look at that.
Oh yeah, baby.
Woohoo!
Got him jumping. That's like my first one there.
I got 4X tipping on. I got to be a little bit careful.
With what?
4X. Took the chironomid.
Yeah, mine too.
Double header. Ooh, that's a good fish, James.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. What a porker.
Let's go.
It's got some spunk. Oh, dude, this is a great fish. Oh man, James, this is a no joke fish. Ready? There we go. Yep. What do you say, James?
Another grateful day to be out here.
Absolutely. Got into some great fish. Quite a few fish. Slowed down at the end.
Yeah.
But just a blast being out here with friends. Well, a friend. Fishing.
Well, friends, because the fish
That's
are
true.
our friends too.
That is true, James.
We had a lot of little friends today, and we had some of our bigger friends today.
Yeah. Fortunately, I had the biggest friend.
By half an inch. But again, you got to remember, Dan thinks this is 12 inches.
Exactly. All right, everybody. Till next time.
Fish on!
Fish on, brother.